Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for checking me out here. And I do like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes and shopping hauls, and that's the things that bring me joy in my life, and I also love sharing them. So I didn't know that I would enjoy this so much. I just started out this year sharing, and it's been a real fun experience. So today I have something kind of exciting, and it's something I look forward to 4 times a year, and that is, ta-da! It's my Fab Fit Fun box, yay! And I think we're ready to just get going here. So let's get started. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. I would love to have your support. And of course, what do we have on top? We have a fun game. We have, they always give us coupons and different things. This is for HelloFresh. Okay, I think that I'm probably gonna go in order of the categories. Now I do have something I wanna say about this box. So when I saw the spoilers, I'm gonna be honest, I just was not excited about anything. And for the first time ever, because I look so forward to FabFitFun, and I usually buy so much when they have each box, because there's so many things, different things that I like. So I almost skipped this box. I was tempted to, but I decided to keep it. I mean, I knew there was things I wouldn't mind having or trying out in the box, and they're, you know, you can get things for a lot cheaper than if you were to pay full price for them. So I decided to keep it, but this time I decided to do a couple of surprise me's. So we'll have fun seeing what those are when we get to them. So I was curious, I saw these in a couple other boxes, these throat balms. Now I love caramel, but I'm not sure if I really, in a throat balm, I don't know. Curious to try those out. So, okay, let's go to category 1. So I have to kind of dig in. It's a big item in here that I picked in category 1. It's a duffel bag. It's one of the things I have just a thing for. So I like different bags. I like to carry, when I travel, I like to carry bags. I like to keep them in my car sometimes with books and things. So it's always an obvious choice for me. And I've had this brand before. It does feel very good. This is Alice and Olivia. They have this cute little zipper here. And okay, it's got a long handle inside, and it's got pockets on the side, like they're here. So, and it's also got a zipper, which I always like ones with zipper in the front, so you can put smaller things in it, eyeglasses, lip gloss, whatever. So there's that. So that was my first choice. Very happy with it. It's not super big, but it's big enough. It's just kind of, it's definitely oversized. So there's that. Okay. Now category 2, I went ahead and picked the Timberland scarf. And from what I can see here, I am happy. I like it because it's not real thick. It's just a nice feeling scarf. I thought it was going to be thick, and in Arizona you don't really need a lot, but you know, sometimes in January it can get cold, and oh, this, I really like this. I'm glad I got this. This is fun. And it's not, it's kind of a dark mustardy color, but it's a color that also would look good with anything. So very happy with this. So there's that. the logo. So this is cool. Okay, so the third category, are these in order? Yeah. The third category, I got this is the Vega More, or is it Vegemore? I don't know. It's a GRO dry shampoo, and I've heard such fabulous things about this. In fact, I almost wish, okay, they do have prices on here. So the Alice and Olivia tote bag was valued at $90. The scarf was valued at $60, and this is valued at $36. Now I think the add-ons for this category was $12, and I almost wish I would have bought more of these because I hear they're really good. They help, and I need help. I lose hair pretty easy, so I'm hoping that this could help strengthen my hair. So heard good things, so hopefully it'll work. So I'm happy with that. Now category 4, I did a mystery choice. Not sure. They say it's valued at $62, and I believe it is. This is Exfoliate Cleanser. So I've never used a Kate Somerville cleanser, so that's what it looks like. So that was my mystery item. It had good value, so I can't complain about that. So to get a $62 item, I think in a $12 or $10 category, that's great. Now the next one, category 5, I also chose a mystery item, and I think was the Fenty Beauty, and one of these 4 or 5, I got 2 items. One, I got a mystery and a Picton item. So, but anyway, the other mystery item I got was the, what is this? The Legendary IGR shampoo and conditioner. I've seen these on their site. I've never used them. Let me know if you have and you find them to be good. So I'm not mad about it. Always can use. In fact, I was just thinking the other day, I like to rotate, can't smell it, but I like to rotate my shampoos and conditioners, and so I need another one to throw in the mix right now. So I'm happy with that. So there's that. Then category 6, I got the Obi Waist Pack and a 1-month free trial. This isn't like totally me, but I have kind of gotten into, especially when I travel and shop or whatever, I like to wear one of these, and I usually just wear it like over, I didn't know if it fit me good or not. So anyway, let's see here. So you just, anyway, I just can wear it. You can't really see it here. Let's see. There we go. So, all right. So, this feels really nice. It's nylon. It's got a nice big pocket in the front. Then it's got the opening here. It's got another pocket inside, little pocket, and then it's pretty big. You probably could fit quite a bit of stuff in here if you needed to. So this was valued at $40. Did I already say that? Anyway, so I think it's a great product. It feels good. So there's that. And okay, so those are my 6 categories. Now the extras I ordered, in some of the categories I ordered, it looks like 4 extras. The first one I got here is, let me pull them out here. Okay. From Fenty Beauty, I did pick up the face drop all over glow enhancer. I got the pink pearl because I like cool tones and I like pinks more on me. So I don't know if I'm going to mix this with my foundation or put it underneath. I'm not sure. I'll have to watch some videos on how it's just kind of got a drop there. Let's see. Now I just did a video from EyeScream Beauty, and I had, okay, it's just kind of a sheer. Can you see the shimmer there? That would look really pretty just if you want to shine up your skin and just wear it like on your arms or your chest or whatever too. I kind of wanted to get the darker one for like a bronzer, but I went back and it was too late. That was sold out. But what I was going to tell you is I had colors all over my hands, and I went to wash them off, and I was kind of in a hurry because I wanted to get to another video. But there was this lip, I showed this lip product in my last, from EyeScream Beauty, and this is by Beauty for Real. Anyway, Beauty for Real is $22, and I put it right here as a sample, and I got some of it off, but I could not. I scrubbed and scrubbed with soap, and I'm sure I'm just gonna have to get a makeup remover, but I just wanted to say this sticks. So if you're wondering about it, it's a really good product. Okay, back to FabFitFun. All right, so the Fenty Beauty, excited about that. This was valued at $34. So let me know if you've used this and how you use it and what you think of it. Just curious. The next product I've got here, and this was one that was in, I don't know if it was category 4 or 5, but it was the one I had, also had a mystery item. But I got the Summer Fridays. I just heard so much about this, the Lip Butter Balm. And this is in Vanilla Beige, and it's valued at $24. That's what it looks like. Matches me. Matches the lips I have on. I just heard this goes on so smooth and great. Okay, that's the kind of applicator it has. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna kind of get some, oh, it is dripping out, look. Okay, so tastes like vanilla ice cream. Smells like vanilla ice cream. So, very vanilla. So, that was just a great item. Throw in your purse, whatever. Okay, so the next extras that I purchased from one of the categories was, this is the the KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner. It's waterproof. The KVD products I've used, I've really liked, and I know I've heard good things about the liner. So this is that tattoo liner. So there it is. So anyway, that was valued at, what is it, $25? And I think I paid like $8 in whatever category that was in. Now here is a Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette. I don't know which category I picked this up in. But this, I debated on this because it's not something I need, but I love Cover FX products, are the ones I've had and used. And I heard such fun things about this. So there it is. It's just, well, we've got 3 different highlighters. You can see the difference in these. So that gold one looks really good, and I really like this pink one. So it's pink, kind of a tannish color, and the golden. So okay, so that was a fun product, and that was actually valued at $42. So that was good. Then I just had 2 add-ons, just simple things. I don't know, I paid, let me see if that's it in here. Yeah, I think I just paid $5 for this. This is an eye primer by Jason Wu. I can always use eye primers. Sometimes I forget what I pick up in the add-ons, and I always like to go to the $5 and under section because sometimes they have some fun little deals in there. And this happened to be one of them. So I don't know if I can try it or not. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's just okay. It's just a skin color. Looks to me like it could almost be a concealer too. What do you think? Okay, so that was one of the items I picked up. And then I am a big Betsey Johnson fan. I love her style. I have for years. I used to work in a clothing store and we used to sell her clothing. And I just have always liked her wild style. So when I saw these cat eye sunglasses, I just had to get them. So Betsey, thank you for bringing joy to my life. There we go. What do you think? So I'm excited to wear these. They're pink, which I like. They have the Betsey Johnson on the side. I think it's in a, it's kind of in a, I don't know if you can see that. Fun sunglasses. So those are valued at $40. I think I paid $17. The Jason Moo eye primer is valued at $12. I paid $5. Did I figure out what this whole box was worth? It's the value, the total value of my box is $451. So I would say that's pretty good when I only spent $50, then the 2 add-ons were, so probably about $75. I got $451 worth of value. So I'm excited. I don't know what my favorite product is yet. Tell me what yours is. And do you get Fab Fit Fun? I also have below in the description, I have a code that you can get, I believe it's $10 off your first box. And I think this is really worth it. It's helped me to find really fun items. They're kind of moving a little bit away from home. Well, they did have some home products. They just weren't ones that I preferred. But you can get things for your home, great cosmetics, makeup products, skincare, exercise things. They always offer some kind of a clothing, you know, like the scarf or different things like that. They offer blankets a lot. The big bag I got, things like that. So it's just fun to do if you can afford it. It's like a surprise that comes every 4 months, I guess. And no, it comes every 3 months. I'm sorry, it's quarterly. So I sign up as an annual member. If you are an annual member, you get to make your own choices on all 6 categories. If you're not an annual member, you get to make choices on what category 1 through 4. And you can shop their add-on sales. And let's see, what else can I say about the box? Just that I really enjoyed it. So even if I wasn't super excited about my choices, now that I have the box, I'm really happy with everything I got. So if you're interested, check out the code below and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you for being here. I enjoy doing what I do, and I appreciate your support. I would love if you would hit the like button, subscribe, check out my other channels down below in the description. My new Instagram, my new beauty Instagram is up. And so anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. All right, friends, bye-bye.